Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Beamer's Crafty Corner. And today, I went to Tuesday morning, right? Because it's Wednesday. And so let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing I did pick up was that Spectrum Noir Colorista Dark. And this one is for like using colored pencils. So let's take a look. Cut this open. There we go. Is there more on there? Okay. It's just really stiff. Okay. So these are like embossed paper. It's like embossed on black. And then you can color them in. And like use them for card fronts. You like cards in your journals and stuff. And so, yeah, I grabbed this. It wasn't too bad. You know, it's a little bit pricier than I normally would pay $4 for 16 pages. But, you know, it's kind of cool. I know my lazy butt could do this myself with a stamp and an embossing gun. But what do you want from me? I'm lazy, right? Okay. Then I found this. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. It's a cat in a hat. I love cat in a hat. And this is from Graphique. $1.99. Oh my God. The only thing it doesn't have on it is the fish. But that's okay. And then I got this. Now, this is The Perfect Winter by Lori Whitlock through Echo Park for $5.99. 12 sheets of paper and then 12 sheets of stickers. But I also grabbed the sheet of card chipboard for this one, the chipboard accents. So they're exactly the same as the stickers, but this just gives you that dimension. So that's the way it is. We have some Crafter's Companion stamp and punch sets. These are dies and stamps. This one's a wreath. $4.99, 2202-315. We have King Art Woodless Watercolor Pencil Set for $14.99. 222-7493. And if you're watching this, honey, this is what I want for Christmas. Botanica Collection for $1.99. 218-5432. These are 12 of these little fabric poinsettias. Yuletide from My Mind's Eye for $2.99. 222-5404. And that is going to go with their Yuletide collection. But guess what? They don't have the Yuletide collection in. Well, I mean, they do. They got the small 6x6 pad. So you got your 6x6 in the Yuletide. $2.99 on this one. 222-5402. The pad costs as much. We've got some Bow Bunny layered chipboard for $1.99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Not great. $1.99, 215-3318. And then a Back to the Christmas. This is the Yuletide Carol Collection, 215-3317. They got in the 6x6 paper pads again. 18 sheets for $1.19. 218-6624. These are very basic. Not my thing. Here's a My Mind's Eye Cozy Christmas. $2.99, 216-7384. This is double-sided paper. I really wanted to like this, guys. And I'm not that thrilled with it. Oh well. Alright, of course we got into paper packs. These are $5.99 on this one. 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, Volume 1. There's your paper selection. Here's your sticker sheet. $5.99, 215-1282 from Echo Park. My Mind's Eye. This is the Yuletide paper. This is the large paper that goes with all of the ephemera stuff.
Let's see. So here's your paper down here. And then it includes a set of ephemera for $3.99. 222-5403. Those aren't bad. Now, this one's totally out of... This is Snow and Cocoa. Check that out. It's pink, folks. 319-215-6944. Christmas Time from Echo Park. This is a new one. 216-1494. That's it. Single sheet of chipboard. Whew. This is The Story of Christmas by Lori Whitlock through Echo Park. So you've got paper. It's kind of cute. This one's actually a pretty healthy stack, too. This one's got 12 sheets in it. There's your sticker paper. 215-1286 for $5.99. I Love Christmas, again from Echo Park. 12 sheets of paper, $5.99. There's your paper. I think I got this collection last year. Yeah, I did. Alright. Here's another one of those Crafters Companions. Stampin' Metal die. It's a Christmas tree with a die for it. $4.99, 220-2317. And then let's move on to this stuff. We got some of this. Look at that. It's Timmy, guys. I know you're going to go crazy, right? Bingo carded mitt one in this sunburst pattern. $4.99, 222-6833. Those are embossing folders. Then they had this one. Christmas by Cassandra Cooper. Cartabella. For $229, 221-2575. Then we've got a couple more of the Tim Holtz alterations here. These are deep embossed pads. You've got cracked, chalkboard, collage, and notebook. $4.99 for two of these. 222-6836. 222-6831. They have in a Elmer's Craft Bond dual temperature with a high-low switch on it for $4.99, 221-8796. And new Ott-Lights, guys, $14.99 on the Ott-Light. 212-4839. And this is a FlexNet LED lamp with 3 brightness settings. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
That was it, guys. That's all I did. It's a Tuesday morning today. So, you guys know what to do. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that button down there and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I got stuff from Tuesday morning. And I found a cat in a hat. Bye-bye.